Welcome to Howdy Reviews. We're going to open the box, assemble, and try out a TAZZ 33cc 2-cycle cultivator. It's a sunny day. Let's get this box open and see what we got. The package is about 30 pounds. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That helps us help others just like you. And subscribe to see what else we may be doing. We have manuals, plastic ties, handle fastener parts, a bottle of 2-cycle oil enough to make a gallon of fuel, and the TAZZ. Cut all the plastic ties holding the handle parts to the cultivator. Remove the bubble wrap from the middle handles and get the handle fastener parts out of their bag. There are 2 holes in the middle handles for high or low positioning, depending on your comfort preference. I used the low hole for a higher handlebar. Insert the saddle bolts from the outside and put the curved washers and 3 knob nuts on the inside, not the way I show doing it here. You will see later I fixed these. Remove the bubble wrap from the top handlebar. Insert the saddle bolts from the outside. I show it the right way this time, and put the curved washers and 3 knob nuts on the inside. Tighten the 3 knob nuts enough to stabilize the handle, and the assembly work is complete in only a few minutes. Tillers vibrate a lot, so make sure these are snug. Remember to cut the plastic tie off the throttle. That was on there to protect it during shipping. You don't want to start the motor at full throttle. Wheel height is set by squeezing the spring and sliding the wheels to high, middle, or low position. The spring snaps in place when the wheels are positioned over each position. Try different positions to get the tilling action you want. The drag stake has 4 position holes and is held in place with a lock pin. Try different positions to get the amount of drag you want against the pull of the tilling tines. Put plastic ties on a control cable to keep it from flopping around during use. Mix the bottle of 2-cycle oil into 1 gallon of regular gasoline and put some fuel in the cultivator. Pump the fuel bulb to pull fuel from the tank. I got fuel with 6 pumps. Press in the primer button and push the fuel bulb one more time to prime the engine. Set the switch on the top right handlebar to run. Set the choke, brace the cultivator, and pull the starter. It did take me several tries to find a happy place for the choke on a warm day, and it went quickly to choke off. Full throttle came right up with no problem, and you can see with a center drive tiller you will cut 2 furrows. The drag should break up the center, but standard practice is to overlap passes. Let's go tilling. You can see a light tiller will bounce quite a bit on hard ground and stones. Pulling backwards helps it dig in and be more stable. My goal was to remove weeds between crop rows, and you can see those weeds are chopped down. In an area worked previously, the tiller digs right in and shreds the weeds and the roots. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing.